YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is Palace Skateboards Spring Summer Season 2019 week number 3. So I cut this when was dropped on March 8, 2019. So let's go ahead and get this unwrapped. Got the invoice here. It's just a return form. So this is the 2 at the Pro Tool t-shirt, white color, medium, and the other one is a blue size medium. It is $48 each, and shipping fee is $12. There's no tax, so the total damage is $108. So I got the one classic Tri-Ferg decal. So there's a blue one and then a white one. Got this nice big classic Tri-Ferg on the Ziploc bag. And here is a product sticker. Got the product description, the barcode with the numbers, white color, and then the size medium. So I just like the feel of this Palace, either their t-shirt or their long sleeve shirt. It is pretty soft and nice. And then they package their clothing pretty nicely. Got this, wow, look at that. You got this silica gel. Let's check out the front real quick. So the front, it says Palace Pro Team. And then here is your Palace, and then size medium. So here's all the names. Lucien, Clock, Roy, Mylangs, Pew, Lucas, Fairfax, Benny, Kenan, Chewy, Danny, Brady, Ollie, Todd. Let's go check out the label real quick. So be sure you have this tag. And it also has a Pro Tool t-shirt. This is 100% cotton. There's your RN number. And this is made in Vietnam, Palace Skateboards Ltd. Let's go ahead and check out this blue one. Okay. So that's the style number, and then the product description. Blue size medium, your barcode. a silica gel again. So this is a blue with the white font. Nice big palace on the front. And again, you got all the names on the back, exactly the same thing as the white one. And here's the tag again. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.